Hello, welcome. My name is Mr. Lau, and I'm coming to you from the offices of CBe-learn at Lord Shaughnessy High School. This is where students will write their diploma exam in January. But right now, I want to give you a walkthrough of our D2L shell so that you, as a student, can find success in the course, as well as parents can support your student to find success in the course. So right now I'm under Course Home, and we have several features on this page. There are weekly announcements that I will be making on here. And if you scroll down further, you'll find information on how to access our weekly summary classes on Thursdays at 3 p.m., as well as our office hours, our summer classes is Tuesdays at 3 p.m., and our office hours is Thursday at 9 a.m. And we conduct both of these sessions through Google Meet through the Google Meet code LAUFIZ30. On the right is our very important Physics 30 datasheet. You can print this for use at home, and you can use it during your exams, online exams, quizzes, and assignments. During the diploma exam, you'll have a fresh copy available for you to use. If you scroll back up, the next thing here we have a checklist, which is a list of all the items that you should be doing through this course. So in Module 1, there were some lesson notes that should be completed, not because they're for marks, but because they are a good framework for you to take your notes on. There was a Module 1 lab that was due on September 13th. There was a Module 1 assignment that was due on the 20th. And then we had the Module 1 test on the 20th as well. So by now, everything in Module 1 and 2 should have been done. And we also have Module 3 deadlines coming up really soon. So that's the checklist. Next is under content. And in content, we have all the module lessons. So in Module 1, there were 2 lessons along with an assignment and a lab. And these are relatively long lessons, and there's only 2 of them. In Module 2, we have 3 lessons, but also an assignment. There was and a lab in Module 2 as well. There are 8 modules in general, and we'll be finished all 8 modules by January. The next feature in D2L is discussions, where you will find the recording of all the summary classes. So if you're not able to attend the summary class live on Tuesdays, you can watch a recording of that right here. There are frequently asked questions, where you're encouraged to ask me or your classmates about questions that you may have for each module. So here, for example, is a series of questions for the Module 2 lab, and here is a series of questions for the Module 2 assignment. Those are very informational, and I strongly encourage you to read them and to create your own posts there as well. And then the third part for discussions is our private discussions. This is where students can reach me in confidence and to ask about specific questions about their completed tests, their completed assignments, to see if they need further feedback in addition to what was provided in there already. And the next tab is our assignments. There will be about approximately 16 assignments, 8 assignments that are due, 1 per module, as well as labs. Actually, there's only 6 labs, so there's only 14 things that need to be submitted. 8 module assignments and 6 module labs. And these all have associated due dates as well. Now, if you find yourself a little bit behind your due dates, that's fine. The folder doesn't close for a little while, but it is good to keep on top of the timeline so that you don't fall too far behind. Next, we have our quizzes feature. We have here our 8 module tests, and we also have 3 module exams. Our first module exams, modules 1 through 3, is coming up relatively quickly, and there will be 2 more And these module exams, as well as module tests, are to be done online at home. The only in-person tests that you have to come in for will be your diploma exam in January. And next is the Google Meet link. As I mentioned, our Google Meet code is LAUFIZ30, and we have our summary class every Tuesday at 3 o'clock and an office hour every Thursday at 9 a.m. And last, we have our My CBE link, which is a link to PowerSchool. So in PowerSchool, I will have all the marks listed in PowerSchool, and your final grade will be calculated in PowerSchool. Now, I aim to have all the tests and assignment marked about 1 week after the official deadline and have the marks posted in PowerSchool. Any late assignments or late tests will be posted late as well. If you have any questions as parents, you can email me. My email address is lhlau@cbe.ab.ca. And students, as I mentioned, you can use the discussion feature to contact me. I hope that explains everything that you need to know and find success in the course. If not, please reach out to me. Take care.